Ngabafundi abangapha kwe-1 million abachophele iimviwo zabo zematriki kweli, ngamaphepha i-250 nathe abhalwa kwiintsuku ezingama-30.
We're going to be marking from the 4th of January. We'll do the standardization. We're scheduled to release the results on the 22nd of February. That for the first time we will be opening towards the end of the month, and we are in discussions with universities about that fact so that our learners are not left out.
We have appointed 45,000 markers, and each marker appointment has gone through a stringent process of ensuring that markers that satisfy our criteria will be the markers that are finally appointed.
Isebe lemfundo esisiseko lithi alikuzubhena kwisigwebo senkundla ephakamileyo ePitoli.
The North Gauteng High Court ruling, we feel, did not help much because it did not deal with the core issue that we're taking to court, which is the credibility, the integrity, and the fairness of the 2020 exams.
Last time, when the minister hosted a press briefing, we confirmed that the source of the leak was the printing company in Gauteng. We can now tell you that the second source of the leak is government printers. Government printers. The physical science full paper was leaked from government printers.
Ukanti ugxininisiwe nomba wokuba ii-reports zabantwana akufunekanga zibanjwe.
The law said you should not hold reports back. Even as early as 6 o'clock this morning, there was a parent who was phoning me frantic to say the school is refusing to give them reports because they have to pay 50 rands, and she was told school education is free. What is this 50 rands all about?
Kusenjalo izikolo ziza kuvulwa ngomhla wamashumi 27 kuJanuwari kulonyaka uzayo.